again, everybody. This is Dara with Bliss in the Chaos on both Poshmark and eBay. You can find my stores under that name, Bliss in the Chaos, all one word. Today I am doing another jewelry box unboxing. I got this one off of eBay and it is only about 5 pounds. Boop. Fantastic. Maybe a little bit over, I'm not really sure. It was packaged in a larger box than that. So maybe it was over the small flat rate box. But yeah, I just got this and it just came today, so I'm excited to unbox a little bit more. I've been cleaning up and photographing earrings the past couple of days, trying to get a nice dent made in that 20-pound box that I'd uploaded the past few days. All right, let's get into this thing. I know, don't cut towards you. Sorry for the small interruption. My husband needed me. Needed to identify which enchiladas were which. Alrighty, are you ready? I keep checking to make sure everything is in focus because last video I was not very good at the cinematography. I apologize. I'm trying to do better this time. Alrighty, let's see what we've got. Oh, cute. Oh, pretty. Wow, first impression, very, very pretty. I've got a lot of green. This little bow thing. Now, this was advertised as a junk lot. Unsorted junk craft stuff. So I'm hoping we get a few fun goodies in here. We'll see. Otherwise, I will see what I can do with the craft lot. This one is rusted and it's missing a lot of the rhinestone. So this will definitely, oh, and that's a clasp. That's cute. So yeah, this one will definitely not be a resale item. That's too bad. That clasp is awesome. These are heavy too, but I don't think they're anything special. Yeah, they have a finish coming right off of there. They're pretty though. Fake pearls. Yeah. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, it's broken. Yeah. Broken lots, but these are nice. This is really nice. With all the chips, I could just take this little piece of broken shell off and wear the beads. Those are really pretty. I would wear that. Move my chair. Oof. Okay, let's see. Here's one. This is very lightweight and it just broke on the end there. This is like crusted plastic beads, and then these are plastic ones, but they've got a really pretty, silver finish on them. And then these ones are like weird. I don't know what those are. These are pretty cool though. Those beads are really nice. And I put those in a glass bead lot. Hi, Eric. Get those out of here. Yeah, you guys get to make cookies as soon as Dad is done in the kitchen, okay? Okay, here's that other end it came off of.
There's cookies in that oil bag.
Oh, there we go. No, honey, those cookies are gone. There. It would have gone like that. That's pretty. Or it was at one time. Okay. I'm going to put stuff I need to take apart there. And then this one I'll probably keep, that green one, so I'll put that over there. I got new jewelry. That is the junk pile at the moment. If you see anything you like, just let me know. This is a cool little chain. And this neat little bit in there. Those are pretty. There we go. It does have a mark. NWT. Where's my lens? NWT. You see it? I'll have to look that up. I only know that is new with tags. So we'll see if that's anything, but probably not. It's cheap and all that.
Yell.
Why do I yell? Why do you guys yell? Sorry. I was interrupted. Yeah, those are some little teeny wood beads on a nylon cord. Cute.
Ooh. Are these wooden?
Ooh.
It looks like a worm.
This isn't
a
bad.
giant worm.
This is just a, well, that hook is kind of, okay, I need to stay over here, sorry.
It's starting to curl up.
But
I
that's a
just
nice
wanted it.
little mesh chain. Well, maybe not.
It's supposed to curl
Maybe
up.
I
I
can
like
fix it.
that. I like when it curls up.
Yes, honey. Yes, honey. I know you like when it curls up, but can you stop with the commentary? Mommy is trying to make a video, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, honey. You can still play with stuff. Just try to keep it down, okay? Oh, here we go. This is a busted piece of necklace. It's all like, yeah, it's definitely busted. Looks like that.
I hope this is busted.
Those are cool.
Because I really need those.
Which ones? Point to them. Those large balls? I think those are seed pods. Let's check them out. Ooh.
Is it busted?
I think so. Hang on a second. What is going on? Oof. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, honey, that one's too tangled. I have to get to that one in a minute, okay? This is a very long, stretchy, and excuse me, I'm going to take a break while they stop yelling. Okay, maybe. We've got them making cookies now, so maybe they will stop screaming at each other. Wishful thinking. Oh my gosh.
Shiny.
Yes, honey, very shiny, right? All right, so I got a couple of things untangled here. Okay, let's try again. Here we go. This is just a plastic pendant on a chain and a cheap clasp. It goes over there. This is a bunch of little teeny wood cylinder type beads. Some nice little seed beads in there. And then these guys, they're plastic, but they have Mandarin lettering or some sort of Asian lettering on them. Those are kind of cool. But craft pile. This here is pretty. These are actual stones. They might be amethyst, actually. Look at that. Oops, I'm off camera again. Sorry, I suck at this. Okay, so these are just some beads, and these are definite stones. Probably amethyst, but who knows? A nice long silver chain. It's not even broken. Doesn't look like. I mean, somebody... Oh, maybe it's a lanyard holder. Yeah, it's got to be a lanyard holder, right? That's nice. I might be able to sell that. I will put it over here. Yay. Oh, I like this too. I got this untangled. This might be an easy fix. The gold chunk pile, I put it away for now, honey. This is just a little Claire's piece. Really cute. Oh, I like the flowers. I might be able to fix that. If I can, I might wear it. Definitely my colors. I love those colors. That's really nice. Doesn't look like it's missing anything. Yeah, I just have to jump ring that back together. Super easy. I have jump rings up my nose, and I think the jump ring is actually still attached. It is. Nice. Easy fix. That's mine. Let's see. Here is a snake, not snake. Is that a snake chain? I don't remember. It's a set of 4 snake chains next to each other, and this is a, I have no idea what this mark is. You guys know what that mark is? I don't know. I'll have to look it up. It's a little bit tangled here. Cookie bacon fun time. Oh, it's a little bit broken there on the one chain. Let's get a closer look and see what's going on. Excuse me while I move that up. So this chain is broken. Do you like untangling jewelry? Yeah, you do?
It's super pretty.
Maybe it was supposed to be 5, not 4. Yeah, because there are 5 on this side, but only 4 on this side here. So this must go over here, which I might be able to fix. Awesome. That's cute. I like that I really like that the logo mark has a little metal tassel on the end too. It's really shiny and pretty. I like it. See, that's really cool.
I hope they're not scrapey as the other ones.
What ones were scrapey?
Sorry for the web thing.
From the last, oh, you're fine. We can have a little conversation here.
Okay.
Just not a full commentary. What's this? Oh, that is cute. It is a great big ladybug. Is it a scarf clip? What is this? Is this see? Maybe it's a belt buckle? I suppose it could be a belt buckle off of something.
You can wear it on your shirt.
You can wear it on your shirt. I don't know. It's cute, whatever it is. This little ladybug. Precious little thing. I'll put that over here. Okay, what are we going to look at next? We're going to see if we can get these out. How about let's pick something up and see what falls out. Okay, here is a keychain. Come here. Ah, yeah, here's a keychain. Oh, it is crusted. This is really cute. Pretty little teardrop shape. Maybe it was repurposed. I don't know. That could have been a nice earring. It looks complete. Maybe. Is there a mark on it? Nope, nothing on that. Well, that's cool. It's a neat little keychain. We'll see about that. Hey, I made a Poshmark sale. Bing! What is this? Ooh! Look at this. Look at this, Eric. Got an earring attached to it.
Okay.
There you go. Okay. Now this is ridiculous. I really like it. Is it like a belt? It must be a belt, right? All these fun gold loops, these gold discs. And we do have one thing missing right there, but hey, shall we real-time fix it? Maybe. It's very difficult. It's like, Mom can't have any hobbies, right? Because I'm constantly getting... Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so we've got 2 disc links here that are broken off of their little link there. So it should be easy enough to fix. First one is already, boop. Yep, that was easy enough to link. And then with my pliers, boop, closed. That one's fixed. Now this one here looks open enough. I think I should be able to pop that right back in. Yep, easy. Easy. There we go. I'm going to take a quick peek, make sure nothing else is loose. I'm sure these could all use a quick tighten. But it's in really good condition now that I fixed it. No maker's mark or anything. I mean, it's fun. I might look up, see what these go for. But yeah, that one's fixed. Awesome. Go, Mom. What's this one? Ooh, this is a thick, round snake chain thingy with a big gold belt. That can't be a belt, can it? No, that's too skinny to be a belt. Oh, it's stretchy. It's stretchy though. What the? What do you think, guys? Is this a belt?
Yeah, people can wear it.
I don't know. Let me get a measuring tape. Where are all my measuring tapes? Here's one. Okay.
Okay, after that, I want to wear it like this.
Like a super duper small, like.
No, put it on my shoulder.
That's 13 inches, and that would be a 26-inch waist.
Okay.
But I don't know. Maybe over a black dress or something. Who knows? That's weird.
Can I wear it?
Is there a mark?
Can I have it?
I don't know if that's a mark or a scratch. I don't know. It's not that cool. Here, you can play with it. Oh, and my husband has called his parents. So you're going to hear my husband's conversation with his parents now. This is cute. P? There's a P on that. And this little thing, and then these like lucite clear links. Yeah, that must be another belt. That's crazy. Interesting. I'll look it up. Nope. Oops. I knocked my thing.
Looks pretty, but it hurts.
Oh well. Yeah, it probably hurts because of the.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, he doesn't know how to be quiet. I love him, but he does not know how to be quiet. Okay, what is this? This is heavy. This is a blingy gold heavy deliciousness. Okay, so we've got that. And this. What is this? Yeah, it's like a crazy, like long costume chain, I guess. It's heavy. Neat. No. Boink. This is a big old thing of seed beads. It's kind of nice colors put together like that, but really, it looks like it's not finished or broke off of wherever it was. And there they go yelling again. We're talking about TV shows. Okay, here we go. Got it. Yeah, it's just a, maybe that could belt too, you know? Loop around and the fringy beads on the end. I don't know. That could be fun. But no, it's not like this is all plastic cheap beads, so we won't even deal with that. Okay, we got a nice tangle here. Oh, here we go. Got some really bad faux pearls. This little dangle thingy. And then missing bead, missing parts. That's terrible. Right into the junk pile. Okay. Let's see this here. We've got some wood geometric beads, and then this is like a they're wood geometrics, and then this one is like
spaghetti.
That's like textile. That's gold floss and like cotton string made into a ball. And then this is like hard cotton string swirled up. And then this is the rest of it. Yeah. Blech. Hey. Do you like Puerto Rico? Where's my video going? I don't even know. This way? Probably this way. Puerto Rico. Nah. Weather, it's nice, but okay, these are just some plastic, little red plastic beads. More faux pearls coming all undone. What I like to do also with these is harvest their pieces. Ooh, I see this. Yeah, harvest their pieces for things that I can sell, like for rhinestones and whatnot. Look at this little guy. Oh, it's a crab. My astrological sign is Cancer. I like that. He's really cute. I'll probably keep him. Stick a jump ring on him or stick and make him a pendant. He's really sweet. Now, this one here, Eric is really interested in having, so let's find out. I hope you like untangling bids. Wow. This thing is crazy. I like it. Here we go. These are like seed pods with shells. Yeah, shells and other beads and crazy stuff. Oh, and there's the where the original clasp was. So it was like that. And it's missing a lot of it too. Okay, I'm gonna sit down and untangle this while you guys watch. Oh wait, that's not even. I don't even know. Come here. Come here. Come on there. There we go. I could do fast motion. I could. This isn't that big of a tangle. It probably won't matter. This silver tone chain is super cute.
What if you got a vase?
A what?
And you can put flowers in. What if you can get a vase?
Oh, a vase.
A vase and you can put some beautiful flowers in it.
Mm-hmm. I have vases. See, this is a vase right here.
Ooh.
Ah. Oof. Okay. Let's go to the other end.
I'll never see one.
You didn't think you'd ever see one? I've got lots of vases. It's like another hammered
There's one
thingy, but it's on a string, like actual thread. That's funny.
Okay. 1, 2. There's only
See if I can get that out of there. If I can get that out of there, I can hang that pendant. Ah, I found the end of it. Yeah. There. Oh, it's still tangled. Look at that. Oof. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that string, those funky beads off. I need to put the. Let me just put this right in the trash. That's gross.
What's
Oof. This is gross. The string. Yeah, these little beads, they're nothing. They're like plastic silver beads. I'll just, I have such a hard time throwing things away, so I'm gonna put them over there. But yeah, I'll keep that pendant. Like rhodium plated or something. It would be cute on something. Okay, move that over. Okay, this is just a junk gold chain. I can fix the link there and put it in just a junk lot. Ooh, that's kind of pretty, isn't it? Where's the other end of it? Oh, look, it just keeps coming.
I got 800 pennies.
800 pennies?
Wow.
It's a lot of pennies.
Not.
Yeah, I could fix that.
Doodles.
It's kind of cute, really understated. Watch your language. Yeah. You see those two little pearl thingies with the caps? Oh, it's a gold tone chain. That's really nice. I can fix that, absolutely. In my fix pile. All right, I'm gonna take out this whole thing. Put that back over there. Okay, let's. Oh, there's some more of those sort of things. What is this? All by itself. Nothing. It's just a. There's probably an earring at one point. Yeah. Some more of those little silver beads. Anything else in here besides a couple little seed beads? Not a rhinestone? No, those are just seed beads. We can sit this over to the side. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we can do. What is this? RMN. This one says, what's RMN? This is kind of fun. You can get it all out of there. Ooh, it is coming out of there pretty nicely, isn't it? Oh boy. Yeah. There. Ha ha. This guy is here. This is a broken end. And the other broken end is right here. So this would be a, there's some hair. This would be a tiered necklace with faux pearls. That hair won't come off me. Oh no. Okay, yeah, and I can fix this one in real time too. Check it out. Simple.
I'm putting this. Where should I put this?
You just put it on the floor over there by the window where there's some room. That way we won't step on it. Thank you.
Okay.
Yep, fixed.
See it.
This is why people like junk lots, because you get stuff people just don't want to fix, and I can fix it and then see if I want to sell it. I have to look up what RMN is though, because okay, let's see what we can do. Where are you, buddy? Okay, honey, your commentary is getting a bit loud, okay? Can you quiet down a bit? it's like a multi-chain, couple of layers. This pretty little necklace. I'll look that up and see what's up. Okay. Honey, you're being a little bit loud. Thank you. Okay, so this is still part of this. And this, here's just a random, what is going on? This must have been like one of those dream catcher type earrings. Because this thread is all, yeah, it would have been. You know, it's kind of geometric there. Yeah, I can cut that out and just put it in my single earring lot. No marks, nothing special. This little black one is kind of nice. Let's see what's up with that. Okay, let's see. I'll put this mess over to the side real quick. 20 bucks. You guys are crazy. Stop. Okay, so maybe that does that. These guys do this.
Everybody, can you shut your mouth?
Honey, shush your face, please.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is easy enough. I just got to link that back together. Link, link. I don't know what this is about. Why this has an extra chain attached to it. Oh, because it's just like that. Yeah. But this is just a couple of loose. That's just a couple of nice loose jump rings. Super duper easy. I'll pull it back over the top. This is easy to fix as well. Any more broken? Just those two? Yeah, it's just the two that are broken, and this one is marked. This is VJ. Let's see, can you see that? VJ. I don't know what that is. But yeah, that is pretty. I can fix it. Let's do it right now. And these are just plastic beads, but they're really pretty. I like this. Okay, this part needs to go over here. That lays down. And this open finding, here we go, come on. This open finding can just loop right back onto this one if I can get the bead to stay down. Oof, there we go. Oof, I cannot get in there. There we go. Yay. That one is fixed. Here's the other one right here. Now this one, the problem here is that it came off the middle jump ring where these two all, honey, you're being loud again. And there goes my insulin pump. Everything is always yelling at me. What is going on? Okay. Oh, okay. I don't know why I bother making videos. Let me know if you like these at all. I'll keep making them. I might have to move my studio. I'm actually getting some quotes on putting a door on my office. Ah! What? Yeah, I overfixed that one, but it's okay. Okay, the cookies are ready. Oh my god. Yeah, come on. Yeah, that one is fixed now. Clean that up. Look it up. Yuck. Okay, so this is just some junk chain. This is that junk earring. Okay, I still have a little bit of stuff to get off of here. So this is a crazy, awful nylon thread thing. Nylon thread necklace that is broken because it's nylon thread. No marks. The metal is super cheap and it's got verdigris. These beads are just plastic. Yeah. Isolate verdigris. Okie dokie. This was that one that I said I could fix. Somehow I got back into the... Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. No. That's the one I thought I could fix. So that chain I can fix and put it back in the lot so people don't have to do it. This... is nothing. It's like a chain, like a copper tone chain, and it's no marks, nothing like that. Real cheap. I'll just fix it for the principle of the thing. Okay, what is this? Because it is just driving me bonkers. Okay, let's get this out of here. And this is just thread, like embroidery floss or something. Just gonna, there we go, much better. Right to the trash with you. I will throw away embroidery floss, totally. Okay, I got a few more things stuck in here. We've got this funky thing. Let's see how much of this we can loosen up now. Okay, that was caught around that. Okay, so this is definitely caught around all of this, and they are attached. Okay, let's see what we can do. There we go. Yeah, for some reason that just got crazy. Come here. Put that over here. Eric. Let's go check out the cookies. I have too many kids. Don't yell, Christopher. Ah, there we go. Gotcha. We'll look at you in a minute. This is, oh, it's got some more chain stuck in it. Oh, this is beyond help. This is beyond help. Those are nice stones, though. Wow. Those are really nice stones. I'm gonna have to get my stone knowledge up because those are beautiful. Definitely harvest that for the stones. This is the one that Eric wanted so badly. Did you not get any?
No, Boomer was after me.
Oh, that dog. Boomer, get out of here. Boomer's not allowed in my office.
Why?
Because he will just wreck all my stuff and chew up all my good stuff. Here, I finally uncovered this for you.
Ooh.
I'm going to tie the two ends together. See how much you like it. It was broken. I fixed it, but you can have it.
Okay.
I fixed it within reason anyway. Here. Can you get that over your head? You
Yes.
can. You look nice. Daddy would like that. You should show him.
It's seashells.
Yeah, it's got seashells and seed pods. Pretty beads. It's nice. This is a couple of interlinked hearts.
Coconut.
Those are very sweet. It's like a rose gold and then those rhinestones. Silver tone chain. This is not broken at all. This is really cute. There goes my insulin pump again. There. That's cute. Close. Okay. I shut my insulin pump up. So yeah, I got everything out of there, and yeah, that wasn't too bad. I didn't spend much on that. I got a lot of a good pile over here. Here, maybe I'll show you. Is that a cat? No, that's not a cat. Okay, so I got a nice little pile over here.
I got some
Okay, let me see. That I can clean up, fix / keep or resell after I look them all up. A couple more things there I need to fix. Oh, that's gonna go in my look up and resell pile too. I don't know, it's just like maybe even, yeah, that's maybe even like a, what am I trying to say? Like the ones you get at like pharmacies, you know, and like the end cap of pharmacies. I don't know, that's cute though. And then there is my pile of knot keepers or harvest for beads. And here is Eric with his necklace. You say hello?
Hello.
He's good company for me.
Do you want to wear it?
I do not, but thank you. You may have it.
Okay.
Pretty much anything you like in there, you can have. Yay! Well, thanks for joining us today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video, even though it was full of yelling and pauses and other stuff. I think I'm going to set myself to fixing this stuff and then getting it cleaned up. Alrighty. I hope you join me next time when I do another one of these. You know, I actually have another 20 plus pound box coming from Shop Goodwill. I'm addicted. It's not good. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. I've put links to my Poshmark, eBay, and anything else that may be of interest to you down in the description.